It's 783 heavy. So what you looking?
783 heavy, go ahead.
And 783, when you get to the end of the taxiway there, so let's go follow 100, please.
Follow 100, RJ, Charlie 12, American 783 heavy.
5184, you follow the second 73. That means the heavy jet awaits you. Have a good day.
Alright, heavyweight for Bluetooth 5184, yeah.
Ground American 29, 45 Southeast Hotel.
29, Telegram, moving you straight now, runway 18 left, take the night step.
Thanks, how do we get it? Yeah, American 29.
Technical aircraft for frequency, there is a drone doing aerial work off the side of runway 18 left, being ran by the airport, so just go there. See it, that's one step. Number restriction, number golf, cross only 23 and continue forward. When you get to the end of the taxiway, you may see a drone buzzing off the right side there where that, those old fighter jet does. They're doing some sort of aerial work that's about the airport.
Okay, we'll cross 23 and we'll look for the drone.
Copy that, there's a drone over there.
Where?
The left is
There's about 4 guys over there at the museum with a drone above them.